Hi guys, welcome to Explain Me How. In this video, we're going to show you how to see old Google Maps Street View. First, open your browser and then search Map. Now click on the first link to Google Maps. Once you're here, just click on the search bar and type in the name of the location that you want to see. As an example, I will search Los Angeles. Then click on the right location. As you can see, the whole map of LA is shown here. Now zoom in to find the specific place. Once you find it, just double click on the road next to it, or drag and drop the human figure on the bottom right on the road. After that, wait for Street View to get loaded. As you can see, the Street View is now here. This is showing the latest pictures now. You can drag the humanoid icon on the left to move around. Or you can click back and forth on the map to move forward or backward. This way you can go to the exact location that you want. Once you're at the right location, click on the option that says See More Dates on the top left. And as you can see, here I have all the options from different years to check from. Just click on the year that you want to see, and Google Maps will show you the views from that time. This way you can go to any place or any date in Google Maps to get old memories. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was useful. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe to get notified for new videos. We're dropping new videos every day to help all of you.